First up, Enforcement Directorate has summoned Goa businessman Gaurav Arya. As far as the drug angle in Sushant Singh Rajput case is concerned, the summons have been issued for August 31. The summons, in fact, were earlier stuck at his property in Goa as the agency was not able to get in touch with him. He's under scanner for his alleged chat with Riya Chakrabarti that has first brought to light a possible drug angle. A larger conspiracy as far as the Sushant Singh Rajput case is concerned that could implicate even politicians in the state. Let's first go across to Sagar Raj, who's tracking more on Gaurav Arya. Sagar Raj, tell us the latest that you're picking up.
See, around 4 o'clock in the evening, the Enforcement Department personnel had visited the residence resort of Gaurav Aryan here in Anjuna in Goa. And you can see there is a summon which has been stuck on the doors of, on the compound of Gaurav Aryan's resort, where it clearly mentions that the case has been registered in the provisions of Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 in sections 50 and subsections 3 and 2. So this clearly shows that Gaurav Aryan should appear in front of Enforcement Department on 31st of August by 11 a.m. in Mumbai. It is a major setback for Gaurav Aryan, who has also taken the help of a lawyer, Manu Sharma, in NCB case. And this is yet another case which is against him. And probably this will bring more expose to the entire controversy of alleged drug peddling of Gaurav Aryan in connection with Riya Chakraborty. Back to you.
Sagar Raj, any hints as to where Gaurav Arya is himself?
No, the Enforcement Department says that they are unable to establish any kind of contact, but we strongly feel that Gaurav Aryan here is in Goa, and probably they are trying to find out his hideout so that he can appear in front of Enforcement Department. Now, probably after this particular notice, he have to come out and he have to be present himself in Mumbai by 31st of August. So we are waiting probably that he might come out and give his kind of version on these allegations made against him of drug supply to Riya Chakraborty.
All right. So the latest development as far as the NCB action is concerned, or rather the drug angle is concerned, is that Gaurav Arya, whose name has surfaced as someone who was having a chat related to drugs and drug consumption, has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. It is quite possible, Sagar Raj, that the NCB is also looking into this angle. He could also be summoned by them, either before he makes himself available before the ED, or jointly, or after that.
You know, it is highly possible that narcotics team also might summon Gaurav Aryan in this particular case. Everybody is active, and probably that might be one of the reasons that Gaurav Aryan has gone underground ever since this news has come to light. So this is a restaurant where he used to function, where he used to come regularly, and it was open according to the neighbor we spoke to just 2-3 days back. It was open. Ever since this news was broke by Republic TV, he has completely shut down. He has not seen anywhere in and around this particular area. Even we tried to check with him, but nobody is there inside this particular resort cum residence of Gaurav Aryan.